Alright, this model is for primary 6 students called Simultaneous Equations. Simultaneous simply means at the same time. Okay. So highlight keywords first. There are this number of items in the box, and then part of the pins, and part of the magnets have animals on them. There's a total of 32 without animals on them. Find number of magnets in the box. Okay, here's why we use simultaneous equations. So there's a fraction of the pins and fraction of the magnets. So 75% basically is a fraction as well. I'm going to turn that into a fraction. Have animals. So what this means is, if I were to draw a bar model out of 5 parts, 4 out of 5 pins, so I put P, 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 P. This 4 out of 5 have animals. And we don't know what the total is for each type of item. So we don't know how long to draw the bar. So we're just going to assume. I'm going to assume that there are more fridge magnets, okay? And this is magnets, 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 magnets. 3/4 of them, 3 out of 4 of them have animals. Okay, so how does it look like as an equation? Oh, wait, that's a total. Total of 130 items. So that's from the yellow highlight. Cool. These are the greens, the pins, and fridge magnets. Okay, cool. So this shows me that 5 parts of the pins plus 4 parts of the magnets will give me a total of 130 items. 4 parts of the pins plus 3 parts of the magnets is a total of 32. Oh, wait. This and this actually is the number 32 is without animals. So without animals is over here and over here. So 1 part pin and 1 part magnets is 32 items. Right. So how do we solve something like this? So what we do is we are going to make something the same, and I'm going to make they want number of magnets in the box, so I'm going to make pins the same. So to do that, I'm going to multiply this side by 5. So that way I've got 5 of this plus 5 of this equals 32 times 5. So that's 100 there, 160. Okay, so I've got 2 equations right now. Let me circle them. I've got this one here, and I've got this one here that I can use to solve for magnets. So if you notice, this and this is the same, which means the difference in these 2 numbers must be due to the difference in the magnets. So this 1 extra m here must be the difference. Right, so 1 part m is 30. So we found that this 1 part alone is 30. So number of fridge magnets would be 4 parts of this m, which is this times 4, 120, and that's the answer.